asked press, from day one actually, you've asked press, in particular bloggers, to give Yahoo a little space and maybe tone down the sort of advice and what should have happened and should happen. And that was from day one, and you continue to do that. But on April 30th, or right around there, you
this year or last year?
this year. This is a Google one-trick pony question. You made a statement that was upset. You said a statement that Google has some problems.
Did you actually see that whole interview?
No, I only read the part on TechCrunch.
No, my whole point is that is not what I said.
Yeah,
If you actually see the interview, I said that Google needs to grow a Yahoo every year, which means they have to go into a lot of different businesses. That's what I said. That isn't meant. That's not a slam. That is a fact. I mean, to be a 20% grower, which is what they have to be interesting.
Yeah.
They have to grow a Yahoo company the size of Yahoo every year.
Yeah.
There's nothing. I don't know why you thought that was so derogatory.
It wasn't just that. It was that you said they're so reliant on search advertising for their only revenue stream.
Well,
so.
Is that wrong?
Well, I don't know if it's wrong. I mean, it's a correct statement, but is it such a bad trick to have?
No, of course not. It's a great trick to have. I like that trick too with the social graph. But listen, I'm going to really argue with you on this one.
Great.
I said they are 90+% search. That's a fact.
Yeah.
And to grow a Yahoo every year, they're going to have other revenue streams. I mean, can we vote on that? I mean,
People
I
arguing
think that
that
has to
same
be
thing
true.
for years.
How about
The search isn't growing that fast.
let's dive into this a little. Like Coca-Cola, what percentage of their revenue streams are from soft drinks or whatever it is they sell? Like 100%, right? I mean, aren't most great companies single revenue companies?
No. Why did Coke go into water? Why did Coke go into juices?
Okay.
Why did Coke go into diet drinks?
Yeah.
Why? I mean,
Okay. So.
why did GE? I mean, listen.
So you're saying more related products as opposed to a multinational holding corporation with 35 different
I'm not
companies
even saying
and
that. I wasn't even commenting what they should do. It's not for me to figure out what they should do. I'm just saying to grow a company the size of Yahoo every year, when the search market isn't growing that fast, they have to do other things.
Okay. And are you being a hypocrite by giving them advice when you've asked people not to give you advice? And I don't mean that to mince words or to try to get you. I'm just saying that, like,
I wasn't giving them advice. They were asking me about my opinion on Google, and I wasn't. I mean, I call Eric Schmidt up. I've known him
fair
since
enough.
92.
If they asked you for your opinion,
I gave them my opinion. Because if you listen to the interview, and you can, they asked me my opinion. That was my opinion. I mean, you offer me your opinion all the time. By the way, I've never had a bong in my life, if that means anything to you.
I wasn't being literal. Yeah, I wasn't actually suggesting you were smoking marijuana when you said the things you said. At all. In no way was I suggesting that. So. I'm sorry, that was confusing. I'm sorry, I apologize. I didn't mean that at all. Let's go back. Let's go back to the product. And I'm going to say what I'm thinking here.
The products.
The product discussion. You and Yahoo talks a lot about we're doing interesting things. We want to do interesting things with social. We want to do interesting things with mobile. We're an exciting technology company. But the actual moves I see, the hiring of Blake, experiences in advertising and products, the things that you are doing, like partnering with Match.com, unloading jobs, other moves, with the exception of associated content, which we can talk about as well, but it seems as though what you're doing is you're being a really good financial manager, recognizing weaknesses, shoring up holes, growing where you need to. A lot of financial engineering. The company's healthy financially. Stock price is up actually quite a bit since you joined. Is all this stuff about, we really want to be a cutting edge technology company, is it kind of BS? And is it just to recruit engineers and kind of keep the excitement going?
So Mike, since you were the one that brought up jobs earlier, I'm going to continue that analogy. Steve came back into Apple in 1997, a company he knew very well since he founded it.
Yeah.
The iPod came out 4 years later. 4 years later. 3 years after that is the first time his market cap grew at all. 7 years. I've been at this company 16 months.
Okay.
And so I'm supposed to have an iPad, an iPod, and you know, you are involved in a very tiny company. And it probably takes a long time to even convince yourself what the hell to do. Something magical that the fine people of Yahoo are supposed to do in this short time, so fuck off.
No, we're way over, okay.
We're way over.
The last question is, are you a search company or not?
Half of our revenues and profits are from search. We have
From search or from Microsoft? I mean, not yet, but.
search. From search. Listen, the fact that you can crawl the web and index the web is a commodity as far as I'm concerned. That used to be what was so fat. Now it's how many data
It's a
centers
commodity.
can you put in?
So search innovation is done, it's commoditized?
The algo part of search, sure, you can crawl more sites, you can index more sites, you can crawl more often. That is a matter of networking and data centers. What you do when you receive the information and how you choose to add other information to it, display it, video, imagine what people are asking versus the literal clicks, which is what we've all put up with. There's a lot of innovation happening there, and that's what we're dealing with. We have hundreds of engineers working on this problem. We are in the search business. Just as HP, Dell chose to outsource the commodity called the chip,
Yeah.
and to put their engineering around the user experience, that's what we're doing. We are in the search business. It will say Yahoo search. It isn't Bing. You can't find Bing on the page except down the bottom with little things about that big. And we're in the Yahoo search business, and we're going to make it as entertaining, as innovative, and as special for the people that come to Yahoo pages as anybody else's.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to ask you who you think won that one. But we now are breaking for lunch, and you have until 2 p.m. to come back here. We'll start with a